Let's see the answers, explanations, how good we are extempore with the answers. So these are all the questions. Good evening, Dr. Narsi. Yeah, so these are all the questions that have come up in the last 15 years of MDS. All India MDS Entrance Exam Question Bank. There are totally 650 MCQs that fall into 26 major topics, and we have classified all the questions into major topics, and these are also the same issues, same questions even for the NEET MD entrance also in FMGE also. So let's make the great beginning. HIV, what is the route by which it is transmitted? Needle prick, blood transmission, sexual intercourse, they're all true. But you should remember, saliva in fact protects you against the, saliva has an anti-HIV effect. You can love, you can kiss, you can give a French kiss also, no problem. Saliva doesn't transmit the HIV. Only problem is if there are any oral ulcers with an abrasion of the mucosa at the time of a French kiss, there can be a chance of transmission if the blood touches the blood, but not through saliva. So you can hug a HIV person, you can hold hand a HIV person, you can go to a movie in the IMAX theater with the HIV person, nothing happens. HIV infection is known to be transmitted by the breastfeeding, childbirth, heterosexual, homosexual, but not by kissing is what you need to remember. Sunny Sandeep, very good. So I hope Sunny you attended the Dashara session. I'm so happy. I was having a style last 9 days, Navaratri ke din mein. Kal se the style has come down. So I'm so happy. Sometimes when we get back our health, we feel that we are the most wealthiest and prosperous person in the world, right? So surely. Now, half-life of free HIV. Keep punching your answers, doctor. Keep punching your answers. Half-life of HIV in plasma is about 6 hours. You should remember, once you have given a highly active retroviral therapy, the HIV get cleared in a biphasic decay process. The first phase of the decay, it lasts for about 2 weeks after initiation of the therapy. And during this time, almost the HIV viral load will fall down by 99%. And what is the half-life of the free virus in the blood? It is 6 hours. Please don't forget. Favorite question of the examiner. कल के नीट पीजी में भी एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, FMGE में भी आएगा, नीट MDS में भी आएगा, but 6 hours is something that you are not going to forget. So how will you remember? HIV means, anyway you remember it is sex. Remember 6. 6 is the half-life. Sex is the cause for the HIV is what you should be able to remember easily.